Welcome to Joe and Ashton's podcast on steering geometry. I hope this is informative. Camber, caster, and toe are three important factors that affect tire wear, directional stability, cornering, and ability to compensate for loads. Camber is the angle between the vertical axis of the wheel and the horizontal plane. When the top of the tire tilts outward, it is called positive camber, and when it tilts inward, it is called negative camber. Positive camber can cause the tire to wear more on the outside edge, while negative camber can cause the tire to wear more on the inside edge. Proper camber alignment can help to distribute the load evenly across the tire's surface, reducing tire wear and improving handling and stability. Caster is the angle between the steering axis and the vertical axis of the wheel. It affects the steering stability and the ability of the wheel to return to the straight ahead position after turning. If the caster angle is too high, it can cause uneven tire wear, while a low caster angle can cause the car to become unstable at high speeds. Toe is the angle between the longitude axis of the wheel and the center line of the vehicle. It affects the tire wear and the vehicle's ability to turn. If the toe angle is positive, it can cause the tire to wear more on the outside edge, while the negative toe can cause the tire to wear more on the inside edge. Proper toe alignment can help to improve the tire's lifespan and handling. In summary, proper alignment of camber, caster, and toe can help to reduce tire wear and improve directional stability, cornering, and the ability to compensate for loads. Improper alignment can lead to uneven tire wear, decreased handling, and reduced safety.
Kingpin inclination is the measurement of the angle of the suspension steer axis from a vertical front view. Kingpin inclination is measured in degrees and is referred to in either negative or positive. If kingpin inclination is not set properly, the vehicle will not steer properly and cause premature wearing in steering components and tires. Kingpin inclination is not just one measurement, it also accounts for kingpin angle, scrub radius, and wheel center offset. Kingpin angle is like caster, but with steering input. Positive kingpin angle will put positive camber on the outside tire and negative camber on the inside tire. During heavy cornering applications, the outside tire can lose some of its camber and make cornering difficult at higher speeds. Scrub radius is the measurement from the steering axis to the center of the wheel. A positive scrub radius, kingpin inside of the wheel's center line, will cause a toe-in effect and cause premature tire wear and poor handling in corners, as well as one wheel may brake harder than the other. On the contrary, a negative scrub radius kingpin outside of the wheel center line will counteract the toe-in and provide better handling in corners and even braking between wheels on steer axle. Wheel center offset is the measure of the steering axis to the center of wheel center. An excessive wheel center offset will cause torque steering and steering kickback. This makes cornering at high speeds quite dangerous because any bump in the road will upset the steering balance of the car. Ackerman angle is the difference between turn radius and the front tires. Ackerman angle is useful in cutting down large radius turns and allowing small radius turns. As the outside tire pushes out, the inside tire pushes in harder to accommodate for tire wear or for tire slippage. A poor setup of an Ackerman angle would cause tire wear, cupping, feathering, because both tires need to work together to achieve a proper angle. Ackerman angle will have some toe in to achieve the steering angles and minimize tire slip. Ackerman angle does a great job of compensating for loads. Its design is basically the inner tire compensating for the outer tire and is used in almost all commercial trucks. Included angle, the only one on this list that isn't directly measurable. It combines the steering angle added to the camber, and the result will be the included angle. Both must measure the same regardless of camber, and if not, more than likely have a damaged steering knuckle. Tire wear can also come from a poor included steering angle excessive camber, toe in or out. The included angle provides drive stability to most front-wheel drive cars and some 4x4s. Cornering could be affected negatively if the included angle was to be off, as the camber will likely have changed. Compensating for loads with included steering angle is achieved because the camber provides stability.